Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to install Reshade mod for Need for Speed Heat. I'll show you guys how to do it. You just need to check my video description for this site. Just scroll down and go to description tab and scroll down. Under installation you can able to see download Reshade app. Just try look on the link and select open in new tab. Select OK and select download option and select again download. And select this download Reshade with full add-on support. After the download done, click on it, select OK, and now select the browse option. And you just need to navigate to the game folder and select the game.exe and select open option. And then select next, select DirectX 10, 11, 12 and select next. Uncheck this option suite effects. Only install this standard effects and then select next and select next option and select finish. And now the Reshade installation has been completed. Now go back to the mod site and scroll up and go to files and scroll down and select manual download option and select slow download option and it will start downloading. If you are new to this site, then you will be redirected to login page. You just need to log into this site, guys. If you doesn't have an account, then select the register option and create a new account. After the download done, select this folder icon, right click on the zip file and select WinRAR and select open with WinRAR. And now you just need to open the game. Just right click on the game icon and select open file location. And now open this NFS Heat and just drag and drop this Reshade shaders folder to your game folder. Select the replace the file in the destination and then place it back. Just drag and drop to your game directory. And now just close stuff here and open the game. After you are in the game, as you can see, Reshade is now installed successfully. Press the home key to start the tutorial. And you just need to say continue and continue. And now click on this option and you can able to see these in our game directory. Preset pack, just open the preset pack and select one of these preset you like. I'm going with the night.ini and then select option and the preset has been loads. Now go to settings, effect toggle key. Just click on here and type the key that you want to toggle this effect. I'm gonna keep it 1 and then go back to home. Here you can able to see all the effects. Enable or disable the press 1 to enable them again. You can check the effects you want and then press the enable key. In my case it's 1 and as you can see the effects has been toggled on. To toggle off, just press the 1 key again and it will be off. And press the home key to close this window. And you can enjoy this game, guys. Don't forget to leave a like, guys. Thank you.